Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so play me more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm out to mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you say, no. Go tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you be.
The next day.
Hi guys, so guys, it's time for the fishing and I'm super excited. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm waiting for the instructor that's going to take me to the water, I be river, I be whatever. I'm just waiting for the instructor that's taking me there. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Just checking in with you guys. Let's get there, okay? Yeah.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I just went to the receptionist to ask them and they said for fishing it's 5,000 naira and you can only fish when the sun is down, and now the sun is not too much, so I think now is the perfect time to fish. They said it's 5,000 naira and they pay with card, so I just finished making my transaction, waiting for the instructor or anybody that is going to lead me to the place and direct me on what to do. Yeah, how are you guys doing? Today is just pretty chilled. It has been raining. It's not even up to 2 hours it stopped raining. It has been raining and it just does a whole lot of things today. Many people are not out, the weather is not that bright, all those things. But yeah, I just hope I'm going to catch fish today, because they said when it's rain that you hardly catch fish. So I'm just being positive that I'll catch fish today. Yeah. So I'm just here waiting for the guy that's going to go with me. Okay? Yeah. And guys, I'm looking to where I'm so sad. I don't even want this vacation to end. I'm feeling so sad. Although my skin color changed, but I still don't want to go. You know that mixed feeling when this thing is not good for you, it's not good to your skin, but still you don't want to let it go. That's the mixed feeling I'm having. This vacation is not good on my skin. It made me dark, it caused me skin reaction. Guys, I'm reacting here, my face, on my forehead, this pimples here. But still, I don't want to go. It's crazy, guys, it's crazy. But yeah, I have to go. Tomorrow I have night flight. My flight is night flight. Yeah. I'll see you all then. I've been talking for a minute. I'll see you all when I'm ready to head out.
Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. He always been faking me out. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. He always been faking me out.
A few inches later.
I do want taking us. I do want taking us.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from your life, man. But thank God for the journey, the burning that has been lost. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road one time? Sit down in a class and we put that only see the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronics and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the
Beautiful soul, it's time for you to go. You already done much more than anyone will ever know. So just let go of all the pain and this life you've held so tight, and let yourself drift into...
Hi guys, good morning. Guys, I'm just waking up. I'm leaving this place today. I'm leaving this, well, not even today. I'm just waking up and I came out to catch the sunset, and I'm happy I did. You guys, you will see the video, or you might have seen it. I caught the sunset. I'm just here enjoying the breeze. I've ordered my breakfast. I have to eat, then shower, then check out of this place. My flight is by 12, I think. Yeah, but from here to, I have to take boat from here before I'll get to where I'll take the taxi. So I just have to start leaving by now. So yeah, this is me enjoying the morning view.
Falling apart. It was a cold winter day when she lost her best friend. Now all she wants is to see him, just to see him again. And now, little bird, it's time, it's time.
And guys, I'm feeling so sad. I didn't let her go for this fishing. As yesterday, I was so pissed. I didn't let her go. It's either they tell me it's too early, it's either they tell me it's too late, it's either they tell me it's raining or this or that. Yesterday was that it's too late. The other day was that it's raining. I was so pissed that I did not go for swimming, but nevertheless, I had fun, so that one can go. Let me continue showing you guys my view.
Beautiful soul, it's time for you to go. You already done much more than anyone will ever know. So, little bird, fly away into the sun, 'cause today your new life, your new life has just begun. Your new life has just begun.
bitch, she might die. Get you anything you need. 6 seconds like fine. Tryna beat it like I'm Campbell, I need another slice. She was trying much on the ice spice. Trey was in that billion, I put up in that ghost. Now we up in vanity, got women on their post. I was in New York for a week, gon' fall. If I'm on your mind, just say that. Brand new Benz, brand new Maybach. Got brand new friends, fuck way back. If you must, I can't change that. If you ain't tryna fuck what I'm here for. 5 brown skin, got Barbados. Tryna play these games, I'm paid off. I'm in Hollywood with payroll. Get you anything you need. 6 seconds like fine. Tryna beat it like I'm Campbell, I need another slice. She was trying much on the ice spice.